Welcome to the latest developments from iovox. The Property Portal Watch conference in Barcelona proved outstanding. As Platinum sponsor, we shared our experience through our CEO Ryan Gallagher's presentation on AI and customer experience, and our workshop on revenue growth through AI. Check out the full conference recap in our latest blog. As Diamond sponsor of AutosBuzz Berlin 2025, we're showcasing how iovox technology drives success for automotive dealerships and marketplaces. Register with code iovox200 for a €200 discount today. Have you heard about iovox call and voicemail summarization yet? This AI-powered tool automatically converts conversations into actionable insights. Never miss crucial information again. Uncover the potential of cutting-edge technology to transform your business with unparalleled insights from iovox. The future of business communication is here. Better data, better results.